welcome to Techno's channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to claim your daily cipher for today. So as we usually do, we'll click on enter tab 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. It has opened. So the first letter for today is F. That's dots, dots, dash, dots. Then we have F to be spelled. And then second letter is O. That will be dash, dash, dash. Have our second letter. Third letter for today is R. That's dot, dash, dot. Okay. So we have the R. And then the last letter for today is K. That's dash, dot, dash. So we have cracked the code. Please do and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in my next video. I'm out.